Food safety during power outage. Practice food safety when your power goes out by doing the following. Keep the refrigerator and freezer doors closed as much as possible. A refrigerator will keep food cold for about 4 hours if the door is kept closed. A full freezer will hold its temperature for about 48 hours. Or 24 hours. If half full. If the power has been out for more than 4 hours, throw out refrigerated foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and milk. Once power is restored, use appliance thermometers to keep the freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below, and the refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. If the power goes out, use dry ice or freeze containers of water and gel packs to help keep food cold. When it is out, throw it out. Learn more about food safety during power outages at the address on your screen.